Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a new page to your website using the Hostinger AI website builder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Hostinger website if you have not already. So what you want to do is go to hostinger.com. From there at the top of the screen, you can open up the services tab and open up the AI website builder where you can create a website. So once you've signed up for a plan and logged into your account, you can get started using the prompt to go ahead and create your first website. This is going to be your H panel. From there at the left side of the screen, you can access the website section and get started creating a website if you want. And here is my that I have created. So you're going to click edit and it's going to open it up in this editor mode. From where, as you can see at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can use for editing our website. And what we're going to be doing to go ahead and create a new page is using the AI tools right here. You can either go ahead and manually create a page by opening up the pages section, and from here you're going to go ahead and be able to click this add page option. It's going to enable you to manually add a page, but what you also can do is click the AI tools and then go and select the AI page generator. This is going to enable you to go ahead and input a prompt right here and create a page with AI. So once you go and tell them what kind of page you want, you can click create page and it's going to create the page for you and automatically add it for you right here without doing anything else. And that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.